the
You can sit in it if you like.
Is that alright?
Super careful.
I'll be ultra careful. I know how delicate
Got to get the shot.
concepts are. Oh, that is a. You see, I could travel a long way in that.
It's you, definitely.
That's amazing. I'm here with Matt Hill from Aston Martin, a creative director of interiors.
That's right.
And one hell of an interior it is.
Thanks very much. It's a lot of hard work from the team.
So, obviously this is the first time I've even heard or laid eyes on this. Normally I love to tell my audience about everything I know about the car.
Yeah.
Blank canvas for me, so far away.
Okay, so this is an EV platform, if I just start there. So
Yeah.
this is us exploring technology in Lagonda, the brand, and developing an EV platform and a technology brand in Lagonda as well. So there's a lot of material details here as well. There's a lot of attention to craft, something we're very good at Aston Martin. And there's a lot of space. Can you believe how much space there is there?
So this looks like a big car, but is there other? Does it relate to any similar platforms, or is it just a whole new thing? Because it looks huge.
It's a brand new platform basically, and the batteries are housed beneath the floor. It's a flat floor, so you haven't got the usual boundary between left and right side of the car, and it gives you a lot of space. And this car is all about the interior experience. So you've got a very luxurious, stately feel on the inside, and a great vision out with a glass roof. And the couple distance, technical term, the distance between the front row and the rear row is huge, basically. So you can really stretch out.
It's like a first-class lounge.
It is. It's fantastic. Yeah.
This is an interior like nothing I have ever seen.
Yeah,
where's this feel come from?
We looked to our history, and as designers, one of the strongest statements within the Lagonda brand was the Towns car. And that was a design statement. It was also very innovative in terms of technology. So as an idea, there was something for the team to explore there. So you extrapolate that to the current century, and we've really gone for it. We've got ceramic materials, the sintered metal parts, with a gesture control technology in there.
Stunning, isn't
and
it?
it's a real sort of exploration. It's also about starting a conversation as well about the brand, to see what people think.
In terms of importance, this is your first showcase in terms of the way which Lagonda as a brand is going?
That's right, yeah. This is part of the second century plan. And the industry is going through a revolution at the moment, so we're part of that, and this is our statement, what it means to Lagonda. And as a brand, Lagonda can be different. We imagine that a potential customer might be brave and eclectic, but used to the finer things and want a sort of an amazing experience. We think of it as a sanctuary, the inside of the car. I mean, we've sort of collaborated as well. We haven't done this alone. We work with Lord Snowdon.
Okay, yes.
Who's obviously well known for his furniture making and craftsmanship and sense of history. He's guided us along the way and given input. So we've got a wool sourced from Wales, where the car would be made, we imagine, in the end in St Athan. And there's some real attention to detail from him there as well.
And this design language and this theme of really unique fabrics, is this something you're going to try and aim to take through into the production car?
Absolutely. So this is a vision. So we are stretching the imagination here. So I say we have ceramics, we have silks, we have wool, but we've also got a balance of what is appropriate for this sort of car as well. So you need structural, lightweight materials because it's about emissions, and so there's a sense of that engineering in there as well. But this is a bit of design, vision, playtime. But they're all really appropriate. Wool is a really fantastic old-fashioned in some respects, but a very, very practical material, natural fire retardancy, and nice to the touch as well.
Okay, so full EV. Talk to me about the driving concept and driving experience.
Yeah, well, we've got a very big open space here. As I've touched on, the technology gives you a very open plan interior, but also in having a sort of a VIP experience from a limousine in the back, you might want to flip the seats. So as it goes into full autonomy mode, you can have a more communal experience. And as the car goes through those zones in and out of cities, you can engage with the rear passengers as well and have some fun.
That's pretty crazy. So we're going to be seeing cars transform on the inside.
That's right, yeah, I think so. I mean, they sort of become more kinetic, there's more movement going on.
Yeah.
In some respects, autonomous cars strip away a lot of the current detail, but they become something else and they transform, so that gives you flexibility.
When we refer to level 4, that's the passenger's just there now. Steering wheel retracts away.
Yeah, that's right.
Off it goes.
Not full autonomy.
Okay.
There's still, the way we see it, there's zoned control by the car, and so it's not unexpected.
Okay.
So it's a planned release of control and a planned take back of control by the organic matter.
Yeah. Brilliant.
You can sit in it if you like.
Is that alright?
Super careful.
I'll be ultra careful. I don't know how delicate.
I've got to get the shot.
Concepts are. Oh, that is a. You see, I could travel a long way in that.
It's you, definitely.
That's amazing. So thank you so much for your time. It's really interesting. I didn't expect this to be at the show at all, and I think it's awesome that you're taking this sub-brand and just going in such an interesting direction.
So lots of fun.
Yeah, congratulations.
Brilliant.
Thanks for your time.
Cheers.
Appreciate it. Cheers. I tell you, I mean, everyone's a bit scared of the future, but I could get used to this really quickly.